Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude. We are revising the examples on percentage loss and percentage of profit. Okay, so I think this is completed. Not okay. Fine. We will just take a look. uh, Cost price is equal to 1250, selling price is 1000. So here cost price is greater, so it is loss. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. 1250 minus 1000, we get 250. Now percentage of loss is equal to 250 upon 1250 multiplied by 100. Okay, so 0 0 cancel here. 25 on the 25, 25 5 the 125, 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 0. So 20% is a loss. Next thing, cost price is 20 rupees, selling price is 19.50. So cost price is greater, so loss, it is loss. So loss is equal to 20 minus 19.50, we get rupees 50. Okay, so percentage loss is equal to loss upon cost price multiplied by 100. That means 0.50 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 100. Okay, we get 2.50% loss. Get it? Next. So in such a cases, so you have to write the formula. Okay, profit, the percentage profit is given. We know, we don't know profit, we know cost price, so write here and find out the profit. If you get profit and you know the profit and cost price, then you can find out the selling price. Get it? So these are the story sums based on the selling price and cost price. Okay, in the percentage. mm, Next, I think it is a bill. Yeah, our last topic in the money is bill. So we had made this supermarket's bill. So what things we have to calculate here? First of all, we have to make the tabular form. Write here items, then quantity, rate, then according to quantity and rate we have to calculate amount and total. Get it? So too lengthy bills are not there in our PT2, but I will be asked such like that the soap has 10 rupees price. So tell me the price of 5 soaps. Otherwise, a sugar is of 50 rupees for 1 kg. What is the cost of 5 kg sugar? Get it? The cost of one pencil is 10 rupees. So what is the cost of 18 pencil? Such small examples we have to calculate, right? And it should be in decimal also. Suppose I have said the milk is of 1 liter milk is of 32.50 rupees. Then what is the price of 2.5 liter? Get it? So otherwise I can ask you two items, the quantity of it. I will provide you the price. You have to calculate the cost. Fine. Okay, we have completed the revision. Two lengthy bills are not asked here. Fine. And it should be addition and subtraction in the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in the money chapter. It is so easy, that's why I have not taken in the screen, but we have already solved it. Fine. So now I will just take a recap of PT2 syllabus. So first chapter is fraction, right? So just like a fast recap. Fraction, type of fraction, then addition and subtraction of fraction, see the like unlike fraction, solve it one type of example, then see the multiplication, how we to multiply with fraction with whole number, fraction with fraction. Okay, then multiplication of whole number by fraction, then the properties of multiplication, Next is reciprocal, then see the story sums, then the division, properties of divisions. Fine, you have to see exercise 4.12. okay, it is important as it is based on the properties of division. Okay, next our decimals. In decimals, how to represent the given fraction into decimal, right? Decimal into fraction, how to read the number, how to write in the expanded form, then convert the decimal into fraction, equivalent fractions like decimal, unlike decimals, ascending descending order, addition of decimals, subtraction, conversion, and that means application of decimals. Next thing, multiplication of decimals, important thing, multiplication by 10, 100,000. Then next is the properties of multiplication of decimals. Fine. Next topic is division of decimals. In division, division by 10, 100,000 is important. Definitely properties are also important, right? Story sum, just look back, look around, because story sums, if there is any story sum, it may be for 2 marks, not maximum 2 marks, and it is a little one, so you have to just read carefully and you can solve within a 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so for chapter money also we have just now revise it. Okay, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, only 10.1 one exercise is there, so solve each type of example. Then for bill, I have asked you, I will give 1 or 2 items and tell you the rate, quantity, you have to calculate the cost. Next thing, profit loss, revise all formulas, percentage of loss, profit formulas and example based on it. Okay, so complete your revision. Okay, then you have I'm 100% sure you have now confident, you can solve it very easily. Be confident. Okay, be calm, time is enough to solve it. Okay, don't get hesitate or confused, solve the paper carefully and silently. Wish you all the best, have a nice time.